Let's see how to enable Pens tab in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, the Pens tab is also known as the Draw tab, where you can use a different kinds of pens, and you can use these pens to draw in your document. You can also use a magic pen or an action pen, where you can select text and make changes to that text using a pen, similar to using a stylus on a mobile or tablet. Now, for some Microsoft Word versions, the Draw tab or the Pens tab may not be available by default. And so to enable that, first click on File, and from here, click on Options. Now click on Customize Ribbon, and make sure that you have this draw option, checkbox checked right here, and click on OK. And the draw tab should now be enabled in your ribbon. And with that, you can now use these pens to draw in your Word document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.